Good morning, everybody. Assalamu alaikum. And today we have email from the trip advisors, and you take a look at the best nature destination in the world. And whether you are hiking to national park or swimming in Inuit, those are travelers of your places to enjoy the outdoors in 2023. Best of the best travel choices. And the first position we have Mauritius, Africa. Mauritius is arguably Africa's wealthiest destination, a tropical paradise response to Port Louis, the modern capital of this 38-mile but 29-mile island, is the bustling port with a revitalized waterfront and a busy market. But most visitors gravitate toward resort areas such as Majorca, quiet throughout beaches, and the more bustling fleet and flag, popular with scuba divers. River Noah is ideal for those looking for creative sea fishing, and you can choose a planning trip to Mauritius. And the second part of the advisor is Kathmandu in Nepal. Nepal's capital is surrounded by a valley full of historic sites, ancient temples, ruins, and fascinating village. Mingle with locals anymore amid group horse monuments, or join mountain trekkers in the bustling Jember district. Explore shops for exquisite for by local artisans, carpets and paper prints are specialized. You can plan your trip to Kathmandu, of course. And the third level is Serengeti National Park, Tanzania. The Maasai call the plains of Serengeti National Park the place where the land moves on forever. So prepare to be astonished by its fascination. And here you can witness the famous Serengeti annual migration, the largest and longest overland migration on Earth. So you can plan a trip to Serengeti National Park. The position on the foot is Hurghada, Egypt. Stunning coral reefs and quiet water perfect for windsurfing have made Hurghada an Egypt's Red Sea coast a buzzy resort town within easy reach of the stunning Kathmandu Islands and the Eastern Arabian Desert. Hurghada has seen enormous amount of development in the past decade, and yes, it does seem effortless with the tourism at times, with a relatively easy beach escape for Europeans, and some of the world's best driving and snorkeling sites are just absurd. Walk and catch a cab to explore the old quarter, El Dahar. So plan your trip to Hurghada. And the fifth, this is my lovely place in Indonesia, Lombok, West Nusa Tenggara. If it were located anywhere else in the world, Lombok would be on everyone's bucket list. But because it is just east of Bali, fewer people have heard of its secluded coast and a string of cream-colored beaches and waterfalls crashing through its impossible large village. Fine with us, because that means it also less crowded. You can spot wild walkers in the trees or bound pusak or a flat with the green and house builders around hilly meadow without feeling like there is a line behind you. This Indonesian island has a high point that Balearic can match Mount Rinjani, an active volcano with a massive lake inside its crater. An early morning hike lets you watch the sunrise over the sea. So plan your trip to Lombok. And the sixth, Kauai, Hawaii. Relaxing and visiting Kauai Garden Island is the least commercially developed of the Hawaiian Islands. Waterfalls, skydivers, and more than 60 beaches dot the landscape. Some beaches have great snorkeling, others offer friendly tide pools, and some are perfect for a kind of water sports. Trailline activities include hiking the Kalau Trail on the Balearic coastline, taking a day trip to Waimea Canyon, and experiencing life of a sugar plantation at the Crew Farm Homestead Museum. So plan your trip to Kauai. And the position of number 7, Majorca, Balearic Islands. Attracting from all parts of the world, Majorca is a dream island destination in the Mediterranean Sea, just off the southeast coast of Spain. There is something for everyone: taste, beaches and coasts, a spectacular mountain range, romantic fishing village, and a rustic countryside dotted with almond and leaf growth. Plan your trip to Majorca. Number 8. Grand Cayman Island. The farther you go from Grand Cayman's Majorca, the more peace and quiet you will find at Stingray City, actually a sandbar. Stingrays swim alongside you in the tranquil waters. Closer to town, travel reported finding some of the best massage and spa services if you ever knew were in the Caribbean. So plan your trip to Grand Canyon. The number 9. Corsica, French. Corsica is a laid-back French island with a busy vibe that part European weekends and about a tropical honeymoon. The port city of Bastille is arms wide open to weary travelers disembarking from a long ferry trip. For a truly charming Corsican experience, catch a train through the mountain, the beach, passing by rustic village, and grazing coast along the way. Take a few hours or even a few weeks to explore the island's famous walking trails, including the very reliable GR20. So plan your trip to Corsica.